smell coming off this is amazing. So we're doing the dum biryani.
First
right.
we are going to do dum pukht biryani, and we need to marinate the chicken because chicken takes time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you're going to marinate the chicken first. How long does it take to marinate?
Ideal time is like 8 hours. 6 to 8 hours is
6 to 8
ideal
hours.
time. Yeah.
Nice.
I would like to mention basmati rice. You need to soak like 1 hour before.
An hour before the
Yes,
basmati.
that's lukewarm water. You need to soak it down.
Basmati rice, at least 1 hour soaking beforehand.
Yeah. Let's start with the marination.
Cool, let's go.
Yeah. Okay. There you go. Some oil.
You got the oil.
I've got salt.
Bit of salt.
Garam masala.
Garam masala.
There you go. Coriander powder.
Coriander.
Cumin powder.
Oh, I do love cumin.
Yeah,
It's got such a great taste.
And this is a special degi mirch.
What is it?
Degi mirch.
Degi mirch.
Degi mirch. Yeah. It gives you nice color to your chicken biryani. And,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
So is it chili or is it?
Yes,
Right.
but not spicy.
Not spicy.
No,
It's
not
just
the
more for
spicy.
colour.
Yeah, that's for the color. Yogurt.
Right.
If you don't have Greek yogurt, go with natural yogurt, but
Yeah.
always prefer Greek yogurt.
Yeah.
So rose water,
And rose water.
kevra water.
And curry water as well.
Yes.
Again, curry water, it's got that flavour, that ruafsa flavour from that,
Yes,
that syrup
exactly.
drink. Yeah,
That's
yeah.
one of the secret ingredients we put in biryani.
Oh, it's a secret ingredient.
Yes.
We've just told everybody.
Kasuri methi.
Oh, the methi.
Yeah,
Methi leaves.
fenugreek.
Yeah. Fenugreek, yeah.
Fenugreek leaves.
A lot of Asian supermarkets label it as methi, but it is actually fenugreek.
Fenugreek leaves.
Yeah.
Dry fenugreek leaves. Ginger garlic paste.
Ginger and garlic paste,
Fresh coriander.
fresh coriander,
There you go. Mint.
some fresh mint as
Yes,
well.
fresh mint chopped.
Fried onions, yeah.
Yes. Lemon.
A bit of lemon, squeeze of lemon. So now you can mix it all together.
Chicken.
And fresh chicken. This is the marinated chicken now. This has been done overnight last night. The rice has been brought to temperature, the chicken's been brought to temperature, a little small simmer, and then everything gets put together into the pan. When everything's ready to go, we'll strain off, straight into the chicken.
Fresh cream.
Yep. And then we've got
Freshly chopped coriander.
fresh coriander, fresh mint, fried onions as well.
Cardamom powder.
Or cardamom powder. Rather than using any food colouring, it's all done with natural colourings. In this occasion, he's using turmeric and the
Degi mirch for the
the
colour.
degi mirch again,
Kevra water.
and the kevra water and the rose water as well, with a few of those rose petals. It looks like a bouquet of flowers in the pan. Everything's there with the rose
There
and the
you go.
turmeric, the degi mirch, the fresh mint and coriander. The traditional Indian style. That's a proper authentic way of making the dum biryani, to seal the pan with the dough.
Yes.
You get
There
pressed
you
on.
go.
Look at that. Awesome.
There you go.
So that goes in the oven now for how long?
It will take like 40 minutes.
40 minutes. The biryani's ready. I'm going to take that out the oven now. Wow, look at this. Look at all that dough there, how black it's gone. That blackened dough seal there. Everything's locked in. Whoa. Nice. Wow, everything just mixed together there. The biryani is now done. Chicken Dum Biryani. Guys, let's have a look at the inside of this biryani. Let's get this lid chopped away there. Oh, look at that. Whoa, the smell, everything on the inside there is absolutely fantastic. And all that freshness and the mint, the coriander, all the ingredients. We get to that nice light rice, that chicken. Oh, look at that, absolutely fantastic. Oh man, that's amazing. So good. We've got a nice little bit of spice. The rose water and the curry water really does bring that to another level. It's so fresh. The ginger is really strong coming through. The rice is just so light and fluffy. It's very lightly spiced. Wow, there's just so much going on. The freshness of those herbs as well that come through. Everything just locks inside that naan bread. That is really is a proper nice dish. So good.